Guys, welcome to Owens Mill. This home was built on almost half an acre. It's $1.7 million, 6 bedrooms, 6.5 bathrooms. Situated in one of the best school districts in Cherokee County. Welcome to Canton, Georgia. This home also has a pool, hot tub, and features these beautiful steel framed doors, black steel frame windows throughout. Come on inside, let's take a look. What are your thoughts on this kitchen?
Well, I love it. I mean, it's kind of cool, right? It's bright and airy and light. It feels open just like the rest of the space is, which I love. I do not love with regards to quality. I definitely think that they could have raised that a little bit higher for the price point that this home is at. The materials used on the countertop definitely would have gone with probably a granite or a marble, although marble isn't very practical, to be honest with you, but it is expected in a higher end home, right? I love color, and so the color that they've used on the cabinetry, you know, I kind of like it, even though it's gray, which we're sort of phasing out, you know, but it's got that blueness to it. That's pretty cool, actually.
Yeah.
The choice of pattern striation on this is very simple on the countertop. It's very simple, very clean looking, and I guess it appeals to, you know, the majority of people. So that's a good, you know, that's a good easy choice. Personally, as a designer, I probably would have chosen something a little bit more edgy for this place. You know, they've got the beautiful steel black doors and windows. Overall, I mean, the cabinetry is great. There's a ton of cabinets here. You can store all your shit and not have to get rid of it forever. Like, there's extra storage space under the bar area as well. And then that walk-through pantry is like heaven.
To die for.
To die for. It is heavenly. We also have the appliance garage as well, which we've highlighted. And it is fantastic. It's a great pull-out, and you have that appliance drawer that actually comes all the way out with an outlet at the back of it. Appliance garage is great for like coffee machine, for toaster, like stuff that you don't want to see sitting out on the countertop. And I love a clean countertop. I don't want to see any bullshit appliances, whatever, things out. I want to see decorative stuff on the countertop, if anything. Unless it's like a super sexy appliance, which doesn't always happen. So generally we just get those out of the way.
Yeah.
And it helps like keep the home clean and tidy as well throughout. Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye.
You wanted to highlight this bathroom and Tell me why.
I love this mosaic tile. So it has these awesome colors in it that are used in the home throughout, on the finishes in the cabinets and the doors. It's got those blue-gray tones that are it's just so pretty. I love that they've taken it from one corner of the room to the other, and from floor to ceiling as well. That's like a signature move of mine, actually, is to do an entire wall splash of tile. And it just brings that sort of wow factor to the room. The vanity that they used is also super cute. I love it. It's sort of this baby blue color, and it's very simple and elegant, but it really packs a punch in this room. I love how the color ties in so well with this mosaic that they've used. It's really pretty.
Guys, so I want to take everyone through this basement really quickly. If you turn around here, there's a feature wall along this back side. Takes up this whole space in the basement. And then you've got this hanging light fixture here that can highlight either your pool table or a massive dining room table. Can you imagine? Like eating like Vikings. Then this room here, I think it's fit for a fitness center, fitness space. There's no closet and there's egress, but it's a big glass door. So you don't want to be putting kids in here, right? No kids' playrooms go in here. We don't do that. This is for the big kids. This is big kid toys in here, okay? Let's go back out this way and let's take a look at the lounge area, kitchenette, with wine cooler, and then this beautiful, beautiful, full wall, steel and glass. And then after that, guys, let's walk this way really quickly to this last bedroom in the house. As you can see, you've got ample space to put that kid that you don't like in the basement. They've got a lot of closet space right here as well. And this same door leads to the last bathroom in the house that also leads outside to the pool. So it services the pool, it services the bedroom, it services your lounge area, all of that great stuff for your guests, for you. Multi-purpose area.